I was on my way to my son's soccer game, and we noticed an owl struggling. It was kind of heartbreaking. It was like, the first thing I could think was, how long has this thing been here? It could have been stuck there for 8-10 hours, just struggling around.
I tell him how long he's been here. If he's been here a while, he's probably exhausted.
And there was already somebody there kind of taking control, so I was able to, instead of trying to help, I could document it with the video. It turns out this guy was a local surgeon. He had a pocket knife with him. And he went to work very nicely and meticulously. He only, I think, made 2 or 3 cuts. He was very, very delicate, and he made sure to kind of twist and let the owl take most of the slack out itself. But certainly you could tell while the owl was looking back, he had these kind of like very fearful eyes. And the surgeon was very gentle with him, and he cleared space, moved everybody out of the way, and said, okay, it's almost time. Like, he knew he was ready to make that final cut.
There's one on the back there still.
Why don't we give him this space? Let's come around.
That's smart.
I couldn't tell if the owl was wounded or not. It didn't seem like it was. I mean, certainly the way one of its wings was tied up seemed a little bit constricted, but once it got off, it seemed like the flying was unrestricted. Once it kind of dawned on him that like things were looking up, you could almost see his relief.
Nice work. Good job, guys. Wow.
It was incredible, and obviously seeing an owl fly during the day is not something you typically see. When you saw him fly off, it was just such a really, really good feeling, and everybody kind of high-fived, and then all of a sudden, whoosh, he's out of there. So it was really an amazing experience.